full-time receptionist costs you 2 to 4K a month, maybe more from the extra salary, benefits, training, vacations, and they still miss more than half your calls. In fact, 62% of calls to small businesses go unanswered. However, now there's an AI that answers every single one of them day or night for just $97 a month. It sounds very human and it qualifies the caller and it books the appointment while it's still talking. And in a minute, I'm actually going to do a live call so you can hear it for yourself. Hey, I'm Sen from Startup Wise. Let's get into it. Now, here's the real cost of a receptionist. Every single business owner just accepts it. If you want your phones answered, you're going to hire someone. But if you run the actual numbers, then you understand why it's so expensive and might not be the most efficient way. A receptionist isn't just a salary. It's a salary plus benefits, plus payroll, taxes, plus training, plus cover when they're off. All in, you're looking at multiple thousands, like 50 to 70,000 pounds a year. Even just the salary is between 2,800 to 3,500 pounds a month. But with GoHighLevel's AI plan, it actually starts at just $50 a month for 100 minutes or $97 a month for the unlimited features. You can even pay 13 cents a minute if you just want to test it out. That's around £1,100 a year. So it does the same job, answers every time, and you're looking at over 95% cheaper for an AI receptionist. However, it gets worse. Even after all that money, the human still goes home at 5, still takes lunch, and still can't pick up 2 calls at once. Remember, 62% of calls to small businesses still go unanswered. That's the reason why. However, this AI doesn't sleep, doesn't take lunch break, and answers every single call at once when it has to. So you're basically paying a premium for a service that still misses your customers. So now the question is, with GoHighLevel, here's what you actually get instead. If you get the $97 a month plan, you get a lot more than a phone just being answered. It picks up every inbound call in natural conversational language. These calls also get picked up 600 milliseconds faster than a regular person. It asks the right questions, qualifies the caller, and grabs their details. Then it books the appointment straight into your calendar, where there's no human needed. And if a call gets too complex, it routes it to a real person. Every call updates the CRM on its own, and the contacts, the full transcripts, the booking all gets logged. And it runs around the clock, nights, weekends, even the holidays. GoHighLevel says most callers can't even tell it's AI. That's because it runs on GPT-5 Mini with emotionally intelligent voices. And you can clone your own voice so it sounds exactly like you. Now, those are their claims, so you need to still judge for yourself. But I definitely recommend getting GoHighLevel's free Summer of AI plan, where you can actually test this out on a free trial. Now, on paper, that all sounds almost too good to be true. How can an AI voice agent take an employee's job and do it even better for a tenth of the price? So let me test this out. Let's do a real live call right now. Okay, so I'm going to get this all set up, and then now let's see what happens.
Hey, you have reached SAC. How can I help you today?
I need an appointment for tomorrow, 10 o'clock.
Tomorrow, Friday, June 26th, I have a slot available at 10 a.m. Would you like to book that time? If you prefer, there are also openings at 11:30 a.m. and 1 p.m. Let me know which works for you. Just checking in. Are you still interested in booking the 10 a.m. slot for tomorrow? Would you like to hear more options? Let me know how you'd like to proceed.
Yes, 10 a.m. sounds good.
Great. I'll reserve the 10 a.m. slot for you tomorrow. I have your name as guest visitor 002A. Is that correct? And I see we have your email as comsyandlucky@gmail.com. Is that right? Lastly, I have your phone number as +1 234 5678. Are all these details correct?
Yes.
You're all set for tomorrow, Friday, June 26th at 10 a.m. Thanks for confirming your details. Our team will reach out if anything changes, but you're good to go. Have a great day.
And just like that, it's done. Hopefully you saw how natural it sounded, how it handled my questions, how it was asking me questions. And in just a few minutes, it literally qualified and booked in a lead without having anyone human at the desk. And that's the whole thing. For just $97 a month, this AI voice agent will answer any calls, qualify and book appointments from your leads, and make sure that you don't miss out any leads to your competitors. Okay, so how can you know if this is right for you? Here's a simple test. If your business loses money when a call goes unanswered, definitely try this out. If you're a service business, especially in HVAC, like plumbing, dental, legal, real estate, med spas, basically businesses where receptionists and taking on calls is very important, then I definitely recommend you to try this out. Also, if you're a solopreneur, I definitely recommend this as well, so that you can stop losing calls every time you're with a client or your head's down on an important project. Also, if you're an agency, this can actually be a business offering by itself. You can white label the AI voice agent and set it up for your clients and sell it as your own AI receptionist service. You're not selling minutes, you're actually selling an employee that doesn't take sick days, doesn't need health insurance, and never misses a lead. So whether it's for your own business or your clients, the math is the same. You just need to pay $2,000 a month for an actual receptionist or just $97. Also, this week, there's a very important reason why you want to take action. That's because GoHighLevel is letting you try voice AI completely free for 30 days during the summer of AI. You also get access to 50% off your first 3 months if you upgrade from July 13th to July 19th only. After July 19th, that's going to be gone. Then after the trial ends, plans will start at $50 a month for the growth plan or $97 a month for the unlimited. By the way, that's not just the AI that you're going to get access to. You get access to the CRM, the website builder, the email marketing, the all-in-one GoHighLevel platform. So it's definitely worth it. All links are down in the description and pinned comment down below. We do use affiliate links, and it's how we keep making free videos like this at no extra cost to you. So if you do use them, thanks a lot in advance. I'm Sen from Startup Wise. If this helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out this video for more gems.